Hi, my name is Rebecca McLean, and I'm here explaining my final crop report 4 in the Niagara College greenhouse, comparing petunia baskets grown under different production strategies. All baskets were transplanted at the same time and are currently at about 18.5 DAT. They were finished under the same conditions with a 6-degree DIF and no artificial lighting, and so the differences we see are mainly due to plug type and earlier production decisions, especially during stage 3. First, comparing the basket to 1204 to the class basket. Basket 1204 shows more vegetative growth with longer internodes and more stretch, likely due to lower DLI. In contrast, this basket is more compact and uniform, indicating more generative growth and better structure for flowering. Next, we are comparing class baskets with different management practices. This basket was pinched, while this one was not. The pinched basket has more lateral branching and fuller canopy, while the unpinched basket has fewer but longer stems and more stretch. Baskets treated with plant growth regulators are also more compact, with reduced internode elongation, especially under lower DLI conditions. Now, comparing the pale green basket, which is the vegetative to the rosette plug, to the class basket, which is a generative plug. These were grown side by side under the same finishing conditions, so the differences come from plug production. The vegetative plug shows longer internodes, more stretch, and lighter green color, indicating extended rosette stage and delayed flowering. The generative plug is more compact, with earlier flowering and tighter growth. Petunias are long day plants, meaning they flower faster under long days. During this plug production, the generative plants are grown under higher DLI, longer photo periods, and warmer temperature to promote earlier flowering and smaller canopy size, while the vegetative plugs are grown under lower DLI, shorter photo periods, and cooler temperatures to delay the flowering and extend the rosette stage, allowing more of a lateral branch and larger canopy. This shows how, during stage 3 of the plug production, because these earlier conditions determine final plant structure even when finished under the same environment, the environmental factors are also contributing. The lower DLI and increased stretch, positive DIF, promotes elongation, and W5 moisture levels reduce root oxygen and increase vegetative growth. In conclusion, plant differences were influenced by light, temperature, DIF, moisture, and culture practices like pinching. But the most important factor was how the plugs were managed during stage 3. To improve this crop quality for the next time, I would increase the DLI plug production, avoid prolonged W5 moisture, and ensure consistent pinching and spacing to reduce stretch and improve the plant structure over time. Overall, earlier crop steering is critical to produce the compact, high-quality petunias in the basket.